The most expensive mistake people make when buying a water filter system is they think they're all the same. You go online and you Google something like water softeners and you find out, oh, well, they sell them at the big box store. All these companies online are selling them, so they all must be the same thing, but they're not all made the same. So here's a few key pointers that I'd love you to learn if you want to make sure that you're not flushing your money down the drain and have to buy something over and over and over again. So let's get right to it. Water filtration system. How do we avoid costly mistakes? Well, first of all, understand that not all systems are made the same, right? You have products that are out there that are NSF 44 certified and systems that are not. I want you to understand the industry. Back in the day, the industry in the 80s, water softeners were all made in America. They were all pretty decent. They all lasted a pretty long time. When I bought Angel Water about 25 years ago, stuff lasted a long time, even the cheap big box stuff that you find at Home Depot. But guess what? The industry changed. The economy changed. We became much more concerned about profits. Corporations became a little bit more greedy, and everything had to be price pointed. They had to manufacture stuff to hit a price point. I want you to hear that very closely. They manufacture things today to hit a low price point. So you got to ask yourself, is that what you want? A low price product that you might have to buy over and over and over again? Or do you want something that's made, that is quality, it's going to last a long time? So it can be one or the other. I don't know, I'm not you, but if you have a home that you're sitting in that you love, you call it your forever home. If you're investing into a home and you're going to flip it maybe, and you can say to yourself, well, I want the people to really recognize that I put high quality equipment in this home. Like this house, it has Tesla solar panels. Now, Tesla, you might or like them or dislike the guy, I don't really know. But the reality is having solar is a very nice feature to resell a house for. Now, I love that because there's a battery backup, but you got to look at the same thing when it comes to water filtration. When you invest into a high quality system like this Eco Water refiner, what does it do? It is not a water softener. No, we're talking a water refiner. They have a trademark on that name because it takes out dirt, silt, it's made with high quality carbon NSF 44 certified resin. So the entire unit has gone through a certification process with an independent, not-for-profit, that's designed to prove the manufacturer's claims. So you have to ask yourself, if a company is willing to do that, that must mean they're putting their money where their mouth is, right? That's the key. That they prove that their system takes it out. They're not manufacturing it to hit a low price point. Sure, let's just pretend that you're gonna be in a house for a year and you really don't think it's going to improve the value of a house. Actually, I would argue with you because the number one thing builders are looking for today, according to them, because their buyers are asking for it, is they want healthy homes. And what's more healthy than the water in the house? Well, maybe the air, so air filtration and water filtration, right? So those two things are where I think there's value at, and you can certainly market a home like this to say that it has a NSF 44 certified Eco Water or a great American manufacturer's name behind it before you go and sell it, because the consumer is looking to have a healthy home. Now that said, I think if you just do the research and you just look online, Eco Water is clearly the leader. Why are they the leader? Because they have seriously invested in all the NSF certifications to prove the claims that the product lasts the longest. So if you take a look at this refiner system, it does a lot more than just take rock out of the water for a short while. It comes with a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer to you, the consumer. Is that a value? So it takes out chlorine. It takes out radium-228, radium-226. It takes out barium. It has that certification to prove that. So to me, when I'm looking to say to you, hey, how do you stop wasting money? Well, let's look at it. Water naturally has rock in it, and that rock does ruin the entire plumbing system of your home. Chlorine, it takes blues like this and fades them, right? We know a small amount of bleach in the water will fade things over time. We know chlorine dries out the skin. We know the side of the bottle says what? If you read the side of the chlorine bottle, it says danger, harmful if swallowed, could be fatal. Don't get in your eyes, don't get on your skin, don't inhale it. It's like, it's a carcinogen, yet we have it in our water supply. Now, granted, I love an analogy like a Snicker bar, right? Chlorine is needed, sort of like a Snicker bar wrapper is required to put on a Snicker bar, right? You want the Snicker bar wrapper on the Snicker bar, so when it's at the factory, when it goes into the Walmart or wherever you're getting your food from, you know, it's got a wrapper so everyone touching it isn't touching your candy, right? That's important, right? Well, when you get it home, you don't eat the wrapper, right? You take the wrapper off. Water is exactly the same thing. The factory, which is the water department, has to add chlorine to the water. That's a law. Why? Because they don't want bacteria to enter the water, because it can, in the plumbing systems, they're old, they're antiquated, they're decrepit, and they can make mistakes. The city itself has got human beings. They make mistakes all the time. They don't chlorinate enough. They chlorinate too much. They're not paying attention. There's a lot of failures that can take place. So when that water gets to your house, yes, we want the chlorine in the transport through the plumbing pipes till it gets to your home. When it comes into your home, it's a great place to start to get rid of the chlorine, the rock, maybe even the chloramine that might be in your water. We want to get out the sediment and some of the junk that's in the water. So from a whole house perspective, it's important. It's very important to take it all out, because you wouldn't want the wrapper to be eaten by your family, right? So let's get that out of the water. And so then now your skin is more happy, your hair is more happy, everything in the house is more happy. Your water heater, the plumbing pipes, the dishwasher, your dishes, your silverware, your laundry machine. Take a look at your shower. Go look at your shower right now and tell me if there's white film, white spots all over the place. Give us a shout. If you have white spots and you know your neighbors have it, by the way, send this video to them. Do us a big favor and share this, because you know, we don't do much advertising at all. We are geared to sharing our passion about water with you, and we hope that you could share that with your friends and family. I love to say, if you have 3 people that you love and care for, could you please share this with them? Hopefully it will help them figure out what they can do for their family and extend the life of all of the water using appliances in the home. It extends the life of, I think, human beings, because we're made of water, right? I mean, I spent years in the pharmaceutical industry, and I realized that after meeting so many people that literally changed their lives by changing their diet, changing their water, meaning filtering it, to also working out, those 3 components made people live longer. So my passion is about, and when I looked at the body, human body, when I was in the pharmaceutical world, 70% of you is water. Your body is one gigantic filter. So other than air, I'm like, water's gotta be it. That's why I got so passionate about water, is I realized water can change your life, where prescription drugs just masks the issue. So if you can share this with a friend or family, we'd be super duper grateful. And what they can learn too is about how water can impact your pocketbook and your health. By the way, if it impacts your health, doesn't that in the future affect your pocketbook? I mean, just take a look at what healthcare costs are costing us today. Well, heck, we're moving to a payer system, a single payer system, meaning you and me, a cash-only business. That's the way I see it going right now, because there is just so much lobbying and unbelievable political ping pong ball going back and forth between everybody that nothing's getting done, other than we know the insurance companies are making a fortune. So if you want to live a more healthy, robust life, filter your tap water. If you want to be able to protect your house from all these contaminants that are ruining the plumbing and all those other things I mentioned, get yourself a refiner made by Eco Water. Get yourself a great system that may be made in America that meets what you're looking for and what you need to be looking for, in my humble opinion. After talking with thousands and thousands of people, they all are looking to extend the life of their appliances. They want to extend the life of their clothing so they don't have to buy it as often. They're looking to be able to live a more healthy life, so they don't want chlorine drying out the skin and causing dry, itchy skin. They want their hair to be better, so they don't have to buy lotions and more shampoos and more conditioners, because the number one thing that's causing you to buy those products is the water. It's simple, it's the water. Calcium plugs the pores of your skin. You buy lotions to put it on because it itches. Calcium binds to the hair follicle. So what happens? You buy more shampoo, conditioner, rinse aids. That's what you do. The number one ingredient in laundry detergent is liquid softening agents. The number one ingredient in Cascade is liquid softening agents. Yes, you buy more cleaning supplies. Heck, one of my business partners is Costco and Home Depot. They sell more cleaning supplies than anyone in the world. And they know that it's costing you a fortune. So They too are about selling and installing and helping you become more healthy with your family. They also know that bottled water is not good for you. So you can bottle your own water with a purification system that goes under the sink. So if you're like me, I hope, or whatever your flavor is, but if you're looking to be more healthy and you're looking to reduce your family's expenses on a daily basis, a whole home filtration is definitely fastest and safest way and easiest way for you to impact your pocketbook and your family's health. If you want help with that, check out our link below, angelwater.com. You can call us at 847-382-7800. You can comment below. I'm trying to do my best in getting back to everybody, but we will do whatever we can to help you, help your family, and help your pocketbook. My name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.